guys, we just got out of bed and it's a mess, as you can probably see. I actually can't see what you guys are looking at, but she's brushing her teeth. It's her birthday. Everybody say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gabby. And it is 11:50. Yep, that's a thing. So yeah. What? Yeah, we already had a drink. We're gonna head outside. It's actually quite nice outside today. It looked really crappy this morning, but
which is why we were in bed so long.
Yeah, excuses. So we're gonna head out, walk around town, see what's up, go play some mini golf, and yeah. So, anyways, that's all for now. Talk to you later. It's probably way too close to my face, but whatever.
Hello, so we're back to our room. I didn't film anything because I suck at this. But we went shopping, got some souvenirs, and now we're just sitting back in the room for a quick break to have a drink and relax before we go back out to play some mini golf. Anything to say?
I don't know. No, not really.
Oh, okay. See you guys later. What? So close.
Nice.
Get it in.
I'm not going to.
Cheater!
Yeah.
Cheater!
No, I win.
Okay, I'm gonna get it hole in one.
Hole in one? Okay. I want to see how this thing comes out. Because when I did, I didn't see it. I was like, which way does it come out? Oh, yeah, hole in one, babe. Real good hole in one. Oh, that's actually pretty legit.
A little harder, it would be good.
Oh, yeah, totally. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Yep, beautiful. No.
Yeah, you were.
No, it wasn't. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, class. Oh! Oh! Nope.
Okay.
Yep. Beautiful.
Nothing.
On my butt?
No. You ready?
You were saying my butt.
No. Oh, where's that purple ball again?
Yes. No! What? Are you serious? Again? No.
I'm
Oh,
already
that's
in.
not even fair.
Already in.
Not even fair. Excuse me? Stop. I'm not even filming. I don't even.
Are you?
No, well, I am, but I'm just. It's not even looking at me. Stop.
I got it in for you.
Oh, go for it. You're gonna get it first shot now. Nope. 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 Did you get it through? It went through? There you go.
Where's mine? Oh, it's there. Look how close mine went. Look where mine went.
Oh yeah, the bank shot off of your ball.
Thanks for putting your foot there.
No problem. Alright, there you go.
Alright, whatever. I want to.
That looks good. You should. You get it with your feet.
Got some ice cream. What'd you get, babe? What?
I can tell I have it all over my face.
Oh no, I'm dripping.
S'mores and cookie dough.
Yum.
Chocolate chip. Cookie dough.
And I got Rocky Road. Now we're just walking back to the beach to go fill this little bottle thing we bought with sand because it's, I don't know, it's a little souvenir thing. So we're gonna go do that and then we're gonna go to the hotel and get ready for our dinner.
Sitting here waiting for her to get ready.
Hi.
And she's curling her hair right now. And I was watching TV, but I want to try one of these crybaby things. So I got...
We have those at home.
No, I don't think we do either. But I'm going to try this blue one here. And so, yeah. Let's... What do? I just bite off the top?
Yeah, I think you bite off the top and suck the juice out. Sour?
Oh, yeah. Oh, boy.
I want the orange one.
They're really, really good, though.
I love sour. Can I do one now?
On the orange one. Oh, they're weird.
Yeah, you got to break
It's like
them.
a candle.
Yeah. Don't get wax inside your tooth. Bite the tip off. It's going to pop. Yep, see? Don't squeeze it, though.
What do you do?
Suck it and squeeze it. A little squirt into your mouth. You getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Really good, eh?
Mm.
What kind did you get? Let me try.
I don't think it's that sour. Just the first initial, like, popping off the top was really sour.
Blue one's pretty sour.
So we're on our way to my birthday dinner now, but I just have to show you guys the view because it's amazing, and we're going over this crazy bridge. So I'll film on there, but look at this view now. It's literally just water on a thin bridge. Dinner, but we heard a lot about this place with seals, and they are literally everywhere on this dock. So we came to check it out. You can hear them. Look at the view.
Yeah, you can.
They're so loud.
Yeah.
There's so many of them. So we're gonna go check them out. This whole dock is seals.
The guy at the end. The guy at the end.
It's all seals.
So good.
That's nuts. Oh my god.
Look, they're
Nuts!
Oh, he's out.
How does one in the middle get out?
Don't.
Stuck there.
There's multiple of them trying to get up there. That's weird.
Right? How was your evening? Probably one of the best birthdays I've ever had, if not the best. I'm really happy. Now we get this nice view home.
Yep.
Or back to the hotel, I should say.
Yeah, not home. We're not going home yet.
No.
Not down
Thank
the
God.
sides, yeah.
Been a long time, but I'm back in town. This time I'm not.
Look at this downhill.